In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AutoCAD error. The ribbon does not have any tabs or panels currently loaded. This issue can prevent you from accessing important tools and commands through the ribbon interface. First, type ribbon in the command line and press Enter. In some cases, this will immediately restore the ribbon. If the error persists, type MENULOAD and press Enter to open the Customize User Interface Load, Unload dialog box. Click Browse and locate the main AutoCAD QIX file, usually named AutoCAD QIX. Select the file, click Open, and then click Load to reload AutoCAD's customization settings. Once the file has loaded, close the dialog box, and the ribbon should reappear with all tabs and panels restored. This quick fix can resolve most ribbon loading issues and get your workspace back to normal. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.